Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a quick eyeshadow tutorial on this beautiful neutral eye, again beautiful in my humble opinion, using the Colourpop Disney Frozen 2 on a palette. It is a gorgeous neutral palette. It's $15, so it's not bad at a bad price point at all. If you are interested how I use this palette to get this eye look, then please keep watching. Alright, we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to use the shade Wind on a Morphe M521, and I'm putting this slightly above my crease and just gently sweeping it as a transition / blending shade. Then I'm going to use the shade Fearless on a Morphe M412, and I'm going to put this in my crease and blend those two shades together. Then I'm going into the shade Charades, and I'm going to take the Vintage Cosmetics Company Step 2 for the shadow brush, which is like a angled shader brush. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner / halfway onto my lid. I'm using a packing motion rather than a sweeping motion like I did for the first two shades. Then taking the previous two brushes, not picking up any more product, but just blending the colors together. Then with an e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go into the shade Warm Hugs and put this on the inner third half of my lid, where we haven't put eyeshadow yet, with a packing motion. To highlight the brow bone and the inner corner, I'm going to use the shade Scoochin' with an It Brushes for Ulta smudger brush. Alright, and now I'm going to quickly go off camera to conceal my under eyes, and then I'll be back to finish the lower lash line on camera. Finish the rest of the face. So now I'm going to take an e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm going to dip it into Wind. And I'm just going to lightly buff that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to dip that same brush into Charades, and I'm just going to gently keep that, like buff that on the very outer corner of my lower lash line, just to kind of bring the color from the outer corner on my lid down to the lower lash line. I'm not going to do liner with this look, so I'm just going to finish it off with some mascara and lashes, and I think we'll be good to go. The mascara that I'm using is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. And the lashes that I'm using are the Ioni 3D Faux Mink Lashes Wispy Cat Eye style. I got them from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, and here is the finished look with the Colourpop Frozen 2 on a palette. It is a wonderful neutral palette. It's like a colorful neutral palette. And as I said in my last video, or my prior video, 2020 is the year of wearable colorful looks. If you're looking for palette suggestions for a transition from all of your neutral palettes, Colourpop has some great neutral colorful palettes that aren't like rainbows. They're like mauves and pinks and yellows and oranges that will take you from your brown neutral shades and get some color into your looks. This Anna palette is amazing. How much is it? I think it's $15. It's $15 for 9 pans. That's a steal in my opinion. Colourpop's pressed eyeshadows blend so easily and flawlessly. It's really hard to screw any eye look up with their eyeshadows, in my humble opinion. So let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Did you like the style of video? I did something a little different. Brought you in close today. Let me know all of that in the comment section below. I will list all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you are interested in any of them, you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.